In this video, I'm going to show you how to run Etsy sales. To get started, you'll want to go over to the left sidebar, click on marketing, and then click on sales and coupons. This will bring you to the sales and coupons section in your Etsy shop. Here you will be able to see the sales you have running and create new sales when you click on the button in the top right corner that says new special offer. So you'll have a pop-up that says set up a new special offer, and here you can choose to either run a sale, send offers to interested shoppers, or create a coupon. All of these are different ways that you can send a discount to a Etsy customer to encourage them to buy. Each one can be effective, so let's go through them all. And first we will do create a coupon. So to create a coupon, you can do a couple different things. You can do free shipping, a percentage off, or a fixed amount off. I personally have a lot of different price points in my shop, so I prefer to do a percentage off, so that's what we will do here, and we are going to do a 10% off coupon. So you can also set a minimum order to qualify, and you can do either quantity or order total. I'm not going to do that here, but that's a great option if you're creating a custom code for someone that wants to buy a lot of different products or a huge amount of product. So if you're having a big sale and you want to give them a discount specifically. Next, you'll have the duration, and you can choose any time from the day you're setting up the sale to no end date at all. This is very helpful if you're having a specific holiday related sale or if it's for a specific customer to buy at a certain time. Then you will customize your coupon code to enter the name, so customers can use that code, and you'll also have a URL that you can copy and send them, so it really works both ways. When you hit continue, you'll have the option to go to choosing your listings for the discount, so you can choose different sections of your shop, or you can choose all of the listings in your shop, or you can search for a single listing and add just that listing. When you've made your selections, you'll go down and click the button that says review and confirm, which brings you to a final page where you will look and make sure that everything looks right. Once you've double checked, then you'll go down and click the button that says confirm and create discount. Then your discount will be live, so you want to make sure everything was right on the previous page, and you'll be able to copy the URL that you can send people so that when they put it into their browser, it will automatically apply the discount to your shop at checkout. You can also send the code that you created. So next, let's create a sale. We can run a sale doing either free shipping or a percentage off. I personally love the percentage off, so I'm going to do a 20% off, and I'm going to run it for everywhere. It can be in specific countries, which is interesting if you are doing international shipping. But since I do digital products, I'm going to do 20% off a quantity of 4 items. You can also do the sale on order total, so you could do something like 10% off a order of $200, or you can do it with no minimum to qualify as well. For the duration of a sale, you can only do 30 days, so from when you set up the sale to the next month, 30 days later. If you want a permanent sale, you basically have to create it new every month. Then for terms and conditions, this is optional, but I find it is very helpful to explain the sale. So I will say something like get 20% off your whole purchase when you buy 4 items. If you have any specific conditions, definitely add them here because you will want to make sure you are covered. And then next, you will at the bottom name your sale. Shoppers don't see this, but it helps you keep track in your dashboard. Next, you'll click the button to continue, and then you will once again be brought up to a review and confirm page where you'll want to look through everything and make sure it all looks right and is exactly what you wanted it to be and there are no mistakes. If you're happy, then you'll go down and click confirm and create discount, and your sale will go live immediately. So you'll want to make sure that's right again. And then when you go to your shop, you'll see that if you're doing a sale, it will show under the items eligible orders get 20% off. So since I am doing a 4 item sale, I will show you have to add 4 items. So when you only have 2, it'll say add 2 more to your cart to get the 20% off. So it will give the buyers as many notifications as possible to get that sale, which is nice because if you're doing multiple items or a higher order total, they will continue adding stuff to their cart just to get the sale. When you go back to the sales and coupon section of your shop manager, you'll be able to scroll down and see all the individual sales and coupons. And so if you want to end one early, you just click on it. Then when the details pop up on the right side, you'll go down to the red button that says end sale early and click it, and that will immediately end your sale. Headed back to the sales and coupon section, we will now do the final option, which we have not covered, which is the send offers to interested shoppers. Etsy offers two options here. You can do abandoned cart shoppers, people who've left items in your cart, but you think that they might want to buy it, and also recently favorited shoppers, so someone who's favorited something. And as you can see, I do have these already set up in my shop. For this targeted offer, you can select different discount types, so you can do % off, fixed amount off, free shipping, or use an existing coupon that you have in another type of sale. In this example, I'm going to do a % off just because that is what I favor, and I am going to do 10% off and then give it a coupon code. So you'll want to type in a coupon code so that you know what this offer is. Then once it has a name, you'll go down to the bottom button that says review and confirm, and it will bring you to the review and confirm page. And once you are happy with it, you will launch your campaign. On these targeted offers, it's important to note that your whole shop will be covered and Etsy will run this for you. You won't do anything. It will go out automatically. You can also share the link manually, but Etsy is going to automatically run this for you for anyone that has either favorited your shop or abandoned their cart. So you can see up here at the top on the right hand side, it will show you how many emails have been sent. I am going to deactivate this since I already do have one in place, and this was just an example. So again, if you want to deactivate a coupon, you will just click on it, and then on the right side it will pop up and you'll scroll down to the red button and click deactivate coupon. When you go back to your sales and coupon section in the shop manager under marketing, you'll be able to see all the sales that you have running and how long they have been active and how much they have brought in money wise. So this is a great area to kind of review all your sales, make sure they look good, and if something's not working, cancel it, delete it, and try a new sale.